If you're seeing the ChatGPT model not found error, don't worry. This is usually a simple issue you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to get ChatGPT working again, step by step. We'll cover refreshing the page, selecting the correct model, logging out and back in, and checking whether the model is actually included in your plan. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, the easiest fix is to refresh the page or reopen ChatGPT completely. Sometimes the error appears because the page didn't load properly, the session glitched, or the model failed to initialize. So go ahead and press refresh on your browser. If that does not work, close ChatGPT entirely and open it again in a new tab or window. In many cases, that alone clears the problem and brings the model back. Next, check whether you selected the correct model. ChatGPT can sometimes default to a model that is unavailable, overloaded, or not supported on your current account. Open the model picker and choose an available or latest model, usually the auto or default option if it's shown. If you are trying to use a specific model and it says not found, switching to a supported one can instantly solve the issue. This is especially important if you recently changed accounts or if the interface updated. If the error is still there, the next step is to log out and log back in again. A sign-in session can sometimes become outdated, and that can stop the model list from loading correctly. Click your profile or account menu, choose Log Out, and then sign in again with the same account. After logging back in, check the model selector one more time and see if the error is gone. This refreshes your session and can fix permission or loading issues. Now here's another very important check. Make sure the model is actually available in your plan. Some ChatGPT models require paid access, and if your account doesn't include that model, you may see a model not found or unavailable message. Open your plan or subscription details and compare what models your account can use. If the model you want is restricted, you may need to switch to a free model, upgrade your plan, or choose another available option. This step is important because sometimes the problem isn't a bug at all, it's just a plan limitation. If you've tried all of those steps and the issue still continues, wait a little while and try again later. Sometimes model availability changes temporarily due to traffic, maintenance, or server-side updates. You can also try another browser, clear your cache, or sign in on a different device to see whether the issue is local to your browser. So to quickly recap, refresh ChatGPT, select the correct available model, log out and log back in, and confirm that your plan supports the model you're trying to use. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the ChatGPT model not found error fast. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.